All right, y'all boys. It's gonna be a live day trading with the explanation at the end. So this video might be a little lengthy. My bad. First off, YouTube is your favorite guru from Timu, and yeah, we made like 1100 today trading. Prove all that. I'm gonna show that all throughout this video. Explanation for the trade gonna be at the end of the live day trading. And this was supposed to be a vlog, but I don't think it was enough content to make it a vlog. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna make it the live trading video. I recorded everything, my whole thought process. So I hope y'all boys enjoyed it. You got any questions? If not, join the Discord. Free trading guide down in the description below. And I just dropped the whole trading course on the YouTube. So y'all boys go run that up. But with that being said, let's get into the live recording. All right, man. We have well, my monitor isn't recording. Let's make sure that is recording first, because I have done this before where I'll be recording the entire thing, and it's just like I recorded the whole trade before, and it didn't do what it needed to do, right? So looking at today, we are obviously, we can look at gold and Nasdaq, because I have been trading gold, but looking at today, as y'all boys can see, my chart is overly messed up, right? We seem not to be able to take this high right here. We can't, don't mind my dog in the back. Can't take this high up here. So, you know, with that being said, that seems like we do have sales. We also seem to be tapping back into this range up here. Back into this range. We hit this point of control right here. Reacted off of it pretty well. Now we are getting a rejection. Do I expect us to dump down yet? We can actually see if we have an SMT right now, and we can look for sales. But let's just look for, you know, let's just look for NQ right now, because we are familiar with NQ. We're more familiar with NQ. Then we'll take it over to gold in a little bit. So let's see which one this is. Okay. Okay, so we still haven't taken. We have taken previous day high on Nasdaq. Oh no, we haven't. We are right there to previous day high on NQ, but we have not taken it yet. Yeah. Okay. Everything looks similar on NQ. I think we ended up getting higher, and we did have the SMT, but ES ended up coming out of the blue and pushing up higher. Market opens in 1 minute though, so let's see if we can get these sales. I actually want to see, we might be able to bounce off of this. Let's see what we get a reaction off of 200. We can see if we hold the 200 the key level 200 pretty well. As we can see, when we get to around the 200 to 180 mark though, we do have quite a reaction. As you can see right here, we had to, it was kind of hard for us to break through the 180, but once we did, we ended up pushing up. Market just opened. Let's see what we can get. End up taking this high. Remember, we got these highs up here. I am looking for sales, to be honest with you. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm looking for sales, and if we just look at this, this is a complete like chop fish, like chop fish, right? We haven't really done anything. I know y'all boys just see a bunch of red lines and stuff like these. I'm gonna delete some of them so it makes a little bit more sense. Do we need this one? Nah. Okay. All right. So we got this 15-minute for value gap right here. Previous day high, we are approaching. I'm not taking any sales or anything like that. Why? Because we have previous day high right here. Remember, when we have a set of liquidity that is right here, like right there, and that we can easily tap, we're not going to be looking for, you know, if previous day highs up here, you should just be looking for buys, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm not entering because this is market open, so a bunch of things can happen. But if previous day high is right there, be looking for buys. It's more than, I'd say, probably like 8 times out of 10, I'm not gonna say 9, 8 times out of 10, it's going to go and hit previous day high. And this might be the only 2 chances that it doesn't do it. This is why I don't trade during market open though. ES is nowhere near touching previous day high, so we might end up getting a SMT here, which I would be cool with. Does it help me with my trade? If we can get us a SMT. Does the SMT touch this level right here? This is a really good level, as y'all boys can see. You actually tap that quite a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times actually, and reacted off of them pretty well. So I really want to see a sweep right here, sweep of liquidity, give us a SMT into our level, and a print down to the downside, right? That's what I want to see. We do have news. We do have news today. Let's go to the Discord. I told y'all boys the Discord be having everything in here, all of the stuff that you need. We be posting recaps. We post the news for y'all boys. I post what I believe is going to happen in the chart. In the chat and stuff like this. So y'all boys, if you're not in the Discord, you're really missing out. But as we can see, 10 a.m. PMI. We got that at 10. What is 9 for me? So at 9 o'clock we got PMI. Then that's all we got for today. But this week does seem really good. As we can see, we do got a lot of news, except for Friday, because the government is still shut down. Duh. All right, let's look at oh, it actually reacted pretty well. I missed it because I was looking at sales. Now what we can see right now, I want if y'all boys just watched my last video, like the one right before this, I was literally telling y'all about how we travel to balance, right? As you can see, this was a balance right here. Let me put it back so y'all can see what I mean. As you can see, we were balancing right here. We weren't going anywhere while buyers and sellers were agreeing upon this price. We came back to this balance again, and we did the same exact thing. Now I could have caught the breakout trade. Could have caught this breakout trade. Sell limit. Could have caught sales because I was actually looking for sales, and we would have been up probably like $600-700. So ended up missing this, but we're coming back to this right here, coming back to this balance where we actually held. We ended up taking out these lows right here. We can start to look for buys because we are very bullish on gold right now, so we can actually start looking for buys on gold, just depending on how we hold on this 3-minute time frame. We're gonna wait for a good close on this 3-minute after sweeping out this liquidity right here. So that's what we're gonna wait for on gold. We seem to be getting sales in NASDAQ, but NQ just is too close to ES is dumping. ES is dumping. Okay, NASDAQ and ES, I'm going to leave them alone. I might just be trading gold today. We have because gold is already complete. That, you know what I'm saying? Like if we look at gold has done, like we had a new week open the gap right here. We have already finished and closed up on that gap. Yeah, so that's all I want to say. Okay, this is a good candle right here. We'll wait for it. When we can get to this high right here, we can break this high or break this, this level right there. We actually get in for buys on gold. So let's go ahead and just set an alert right there and just be watching NASDAQ. NQ look very choppy. I don't want to be in these trades for too long. Why? Because we have news at 9 a.m. PMI, and I don't know if I can trade PMI with my funded futures. So, and I don't want to just get my account taken. Let me actually ask them. All right, gold just got hit. Do we go in for it? All right, let's wait. All right, let's watch when we get back to this level right here. I really want to go ahead and get in though. Put a level like instant rejection off of that wick. Instant rejection off of this little area. Alright, we're gonna put our take profit and stop loss. We haven't gotten that close yet. We didn't get that close above it, right? Which is not a bad thing. But we just haven't gotten our confirmation yet. If we would have closed above this up here, that would have been green, but we didn't get that. All right. Want to see it close, and we can go ahead and enter for it. I think we're going to get it closed, so let's go ahead and just have the market order ready, waiting for us. Speaking of that, let's talk to them. Ask a mod what happens. Okay. Oh, we actually had rejecting pretty well off of that previous, what's the name right there? Let me do something. Leaking strat, even though I just showed y'all boys it. Broke out of this range. We didn't really tap that high. Let's see on the 15-minute though. Ain't really too special. 3-minute. Not really too crazy either. Come on, mods. Like I said, I got a fart. Hold on. I want to see bullish buying pressure get held. I want to see a good close above this wick up here. All right. It's fine as long as the news is not listed in T1 news. Oh, okay. So what's T1 news? Tier 1 news. Important. Trading during these news. It doesn't tell me. Oh, okay. November 7th. November 13th. Oh, okay. I just can't trade during those times. Perfecto. Sounds good. Okay, so I can trade no matter what. I can full port this account if I wanted to, and I will be 80 freaking K. We got sales. We're coming back to the. We actually broke through the 200s. Coming back to this previous level. Let's see if we can. Let's see. We might be getting in for buys at. I don't know what just happened. I don't know what I just did. Telling y'all, buys is going to feed families right now. Buys is going to feed families. Like, do y'all see this bullish buying pressure? Buys is going to feed. Just got to be patient. That's it. Just got to be patient with it. Patient, my friend. Patient. Oh. ES just straight dumped. Like, look at that, bro. I need to start trading ES over NASDAQ because ES gives us clean trades, bro. Clean trades. I could have caught up sales easily. Clean trades. Clean. We're not really doing anything on gold. I think we might start consolidating. NASDAQ just hit my level. Let's see if we hold this level. This, as y'all boys know, we have been eating from this level right here. This 175 has been feeding families, right? So now what we need to do is wait for a rejection, or do we continue down in this downtrend, right? And if we do, we can actually get in for sales. Like, y'all see how we're reacting off of, like, we weren't doing that anywhere else. We were just going straight down. But once we get to this level, it's freaking amazing. There we go. Oh, okay. We just need a good close. Once we start getting a good close, then we can start looking, you know, for buy, sales. Oh my goodness. What was that flip? Do we just go down? If we just go down like this, I'm catching the sell off. I'm just really waiting for us to break out of this. We're not really doing anything. This why y'all wait. All right, we in. Feel me terribly right there. That was a horrible feel. I been clicked it. But watch this. We finna eat good right here, y'all. Finna eat good. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all should be able to see. Dang, 100, 185, 170. Oh, snap. I might have entered too quick. It's good, though. We good. We hold it. We hold it. Do I put this? Put these stop loss above right there. Do I need to move stop loss? Nah. We green. We can't seem to break through the 160s for some reason. We can't seem to break through this area. There we go. Finally. Keep us going down, man. Keep us going down. Catch these sales real quick. We should be green. Like, there we go. There we go. Dang, it just took a little bit before we could start dropping, actually. Give me a good close. I don't want to see a wick. Okay. You take out here. I don't want to see that wick. This wick is terrible. You don't want to see a wick like that. We'll take a quick 75. We don't want to see a wick like that at all whatsoever. We got this 15-minute for value gap right here. 15 minutes. Hold on. Wait a second. That's my strategy. I just peeped. No, it's not. It's nowhere near it. Oh, my goodness. There's nowhere near it. Okay. Look, what we want to see now, if we can hold this 15-minute for value gap. I did get a little scared right there. I'm going to keep it a band. I'm just being honest. We still could have ran off with sales right there. But just, I don't like this shakiness. Like, look at this. We're not really going anywhere. Okay, the main thing is, what have we done on ES, right? Let's see what we have done on ES. ES hasn't done anything either, whatever you want to call it. We haven't done anything either. So we don't have to trade right now either. So just being patient right now, bro. Trying to be patient at least. Trying to be patient. Like, we can't seem to break through this low, right? Like, we can't seem to break through these areas. The 160s. The 160 is holding. It seems like if I had my what's that word I'm looking for? Footprint chart open or whatever. If I had footprint open, we did just be looking at absorption right now, getting absorbed. And what I want to see is us break out above this range again. Once we can break above this high over here, then we can get back in for buys. Because I think our target gonna be previous day high, right? Previous day high, it'd be my target. So that's what I'm looking for. Same level right here. Do we eat off of this level or do we break above it right now? Same level. We've been tapping this level over and over again. Same exact level. It's just like, do I just wait or do I just, what do I do here? Recording for like 20 minutes. I might chop it up. I might not. Okay, boom. There we go. All right, let's get a strong close above this level. We can get a strong close. We got a reason on entering. Give me a strong close. Obviously, if we start pushing up heavy, we can get in it, but we don't have that right now. I'm up 800 for the day right now as we speak. I'll show y'all the P in there right now. Can y'all see that? Oh, focus camera. Oh, it was 771, but it's 800 basically. Okay, sales. I want to take sales again. Like, look at this. Like, we're not like I'm really just anxious on this level. Even if we would like that sell trade, even if we do go down, these little wicks that we're creating, it's not really taking us anywhere. Like, we're just chopping in it. Okay, gold is actually moving. It broke through that high. I told y'all. I called it, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. I wasn't peeping because I was so locked in on NASDAQ. Oh my goodness, it's annoying. Okay, the only thing I could go for here is if we break through this high up here. Oh my goodness, that makes me mad. Okay, we're getting buys on NQ. Getting buys on NQ. Watch, we're going to catch buys on NQ. We weren't able to catch it on gold. It did exactly what I said it was going to do. I was just so fixated on NQ that I missed gold. There we go. Give me a strong close. I'm waiting for a close right here. I'm not getting in unless I have a close. If we can't close above 175, I'm not taking it. There we go, 180. Yes. 3, 2, bad close. Bad close. We could actually keep going up here, but bad close in my opinion. We didn't really just break it. Dang, bro, I missed gold buys, bro. Oh my goodness, that makes me so upset, bro. It actually gets me angry. Like, I'm gonna keep it a band. Okay, we oh my goodness. It's annoying. It's annoying. It's annoying. It's annoying. It's annoying. It's annoying. Bro, why? I'm alright, tomorrow I'm just trading gold, bro. I'm just trading gold. Bro, I'm trading gold. Like, what do you mean I missed it? I can still enter. Depending on how we hold right here, I can still enter. Really not seeing anything right now. It look like we finna start getting sales though. If we do, I'm completely okay with that. Look like we are finna start getting sales. 8:50 macro time. We just got back in for, oh bro, that order, that fill, it might stop me out here. If it stopped me out, I'm completely okay. I'm done for the day though. That field was terrible. I've been clicked it. Horrible field, bro. How much? All right, there we go. All right. Okay, we getting, what's it called? We in for sales right now. I couldn't know. If I would have stayed in, I would have got stopped out. There we go. We dropping OD right now. Come on, give us the drop. Don't give us the wick. Break out, break out, break out, break out, break out. There we go. Keep going down. We holding this one. We know it's dropped. There we go. Look at that. Keep dropping. 500. We take that 5. We tried to get out. Get me out! Take me out! What did you? Oh my! Oh. I'm finna get mad. I'm finna get mad. I was up 700 for the day. We're up 1100 on this day right now. We're up 1100. Thing is though, hold on, 700. I was up $771, right? So we at 17. Hold on. I was up $771 minus what we up 1776. They got me out at 405. First off, I get a terrible feel. Then once I get this bad feel, you don't even give me my full profits. I'm missing $100, my nigga. You know what? It's cool though. It actually started going back up. We actually tapped this level. I do think we're going to continually go back down. I think I entered, like, it filled me like right here, I believe. I think I got filled like right there, something like that. Let's go to like the 1 minute. I had to get filled like right here, and my TP was gonna be down here, but I'm already up a band for the day, and that we just gonna take that. We just gonna take that what we just got. We're going back up. We hit stop loss. I'm not in this trade no more. I could care less. But that just made me mad. Terrible feel. I meant to get filled like up here somewhere. I meant to get filled like around in this area up here, right? Like after we broke it. And that would have put my take profit like just somewhere down here. But we actually going back up. We actually are starting to go back up. But I think we're going to go down. Because look at ES, right? ES is overly close. It just took Asia lows and it's coming for London lows. We just created a SMT, but I don't think this SMT is going to hold. You feel me? So, yeah, man, I'm off of the charts for the day. We are up 1,700. I just showed y'all, boys. I'm going to show y'all. It's a My Funded Futures account. My Funded Futures. Look at that. Trade away My Funded Futures. Up 51,000 on it. So we just need, we up 51,200 and some. You know what I'm trying to say. We need 800 to get above the buffer. But yeah, just so people don't be like, yo, he's not showing us. What is wrong? Or he's not showing. Get out my face, nigga. Yeah though. Now I'm finna go chill. Probably record some, edit this TikTok. Yeah, probably gonna edit these TikToks, stuff like that, chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna hit the gym, which I probably should go ahead and hit the gym. I'm gonna hit the gym at 10 o'clock. Yeah, hit the gym at 10, chill for to like, I don't know. We gonna do something. I'll see y'all boys in like probably like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. All right, y'all boys, we are back. Let me make my webcam bigger. Now I want y'all to peep the time that it is. It is 10:42. Y'all can see how much stuff I was able to get done in like 2 hours. You feel me? It just shows you like it take about, because I still got a cold and stuff like that, which I'm probably not going to do that right now as we speak. But I can do that later in like probably like 2 hours. So this whole entire time with this whole YouTube business and TikTok business, it took me about 3 hours, right? I still got to edit this. So we just put another hour and a half, 2 hours on it, right? So like 5 hours out your day, which if you breaking up into blocks, different time zones, giving yourself time to do each one, it could be a shorter period of time, because some things you can cancel out. You don't have to code, you know what I'm saying? I'm just deciding to code because that's a skill that I want to learn and I have the time to do it, you get what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, as y'all can see right here as well, TP actually did end up hitting well, I think we got in like right here. TP did end up hitting from earlier. We ended up getting a pullback. It went right. It was probably like right here. Pull back the entry, and then we ended up dump it back down all the way down to full TP. And we can make sure this is full TP. Yep, because it tells us 1,300, and we were risking like 300. So stop loss was like up here, something like that. Yeah, something like that. It's cool. So yeah, full TP ended up hitting, which is really good. Now I want to go over this trade, okay? Why I decided to go in for sales, all right? And I'm actually upset that I missed sales on what did I? No, it was buys. I missed buys on what's this stuff called? Gold. I missed buys on gold. Right here, I was supposed to catch buys. If I would have got in right here, like I said I was gonna do, add order. No, I'm not finna enter in. Yeah, I would have been just at TP. I probably would have just missed. I probably would got out, probably like for like $700-800 in that trade. So that would have been a good trade too, right there. But it's okay. We're not really worried about it. Let's talk about this trade. Now it's kind of ironic that I was saying, oh yeah, if you're right here at the previous day, do not be looking for sales, and then we ended up dumping off. But still though, I'm still going to stick with that. If you're right there beside previous day, this is a higher time frame, high pool of liquidity. More than likely, like I said, 80% of the times, 8 times out of 10, this was the only 2 chances. But 8 times out of 10, we're going to reach up and go to previous day high. We didn't do that today because we had an objective to go down here and take out Asia lows. Now we're probably going to push up back higher, right? Which is a-okay. If it gets above this high up here, well, actually, let's see. Boom. Oh, it's this stuff. All right, but yeah, let's go over sales today. All right. So first off, like I said, well, y'all didn't peep, but if you trade my strategy, over here we had us a nice little level. I had marked it out right here. Had us a nice little level. We didn't hit that, but we ended up tapping into the point of control of this area right here, of this balance, right? And we can see this level is a decent one. It's not really the best, but we ended up respecting it over here, and we did the same thing over here. And what does this create for us? A lower low, right? This creates for us a lower low, and it tells me that okay, we can still get sales right here, right? Cool, we understood that, and right here as well, we ended up getting a lower low. Just continuing on the downtrend, right? Because I do want to see us end up breaking through here, but if we don't, understandable. Okay, seeing that clean market structure, okay, we get the sweep of liquidity. Well, no, we didn't get the sweep of liquidity. We get the lower low put in, and then on the 5-minute, we instantly drop down back into our level. Now, like in the video I was telling y'all, this 175 level, as you can see, is very strong. This is a really good level, and we've stayed. If we go to like the 1-minute time frame, because the 5-minute doesn't do its justice. On the 1-minute time frame, you can see that we stayed in this range right here for a really long time, and we ended up catching the breakout of this balance right here. What I'll be telling y'all to catch the breakout. That's how I enter. Catch the breakout of this balance, and then we ended up dumping off for sales. That was the main thing that led me up to it, because once we broke under this level and we couldn't really break back above it, we couldn't get above it, I was like, okay, sales. I was hesitant because I wanted to see buys. That's the thing. I wanted to see buys today, right? I wanted to continue and go for buys, but buys were not presenting themselves, right? That's why you would probably see me hesitate from taking sales and stuff like that, and not just taking it right here at this level, because of the fact is I wanted to see us continue down more. Obviously, I just don't want to just be entering off a level just because I can. But the thing is, I also wanted to see us continue up for buys, even though we had all of this breakage structure, like all of this sales side liquidity. It's just a human thing to do. You want to see buys, want to catch the reversal. But of course, I didn't let my feelings play out, which I'm glad. I didn't let my feelings get into the middle of my, trading and whatever, right? Yeah, ended up catching sales. I got a terrible feel, right? Y'all seen that. I got a terrible feel, but it's cool. It ended up coming back down. It chopped right here for a little bit, and then ran down to TP. Came up, as soon as we hit TP, actually came back up and played at our entry again and went back down. So, a really good trading day today, in my opinion. Like I said, like this I'm just gonna be recording the morning for my things. Because like I don't really be doing nothing throughout the day, but recording YouTube vids, editing them, posting them. So yeah, I just record my mornings. Hopefully y'all get to learn something. If y'all want a full day in the life, I will be posting it whenever I have something going. We can do that. Christmas is coming around, Thanksgiving is coming around, so yeah, I'll be willing to record around then too. So y'all boys stay tuned. I'm not. Do I end here? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. You know what I'm saying? Just call it quits for today. Uh, I will be coding later today. Yes, I will be coding, but that's gonna be later on. And I'll send like a whatever. I'll post something, and I'll post my parlay in the Discord. Join the Discord. God loves y'all boys though. Catch y'all in another video. Peace out.